Hello, crafting family. I hope everyone is doing great today. I would like to share my March 2020 design team package with you guys. And oh my gosh, I just couldn't help myself. I had to order all this paper. I ordered a lot of paper and flowers, guys. I was running really low on my flowers. So this first 12 by 12 is the Mente Graceful. And oh my gosh, guys, look at these colors. They are gorgeous. So this is the top. And let me show you what that item number is. And there is the item number 27070 for this Mente Graceful. So, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is the back, the cut aparts page, and it's got so many. I love this tier tray right there. I love tier trays. So that is just from the entire page. Everything is gorgeous, but this is my absolute favorite. So there is the page, the first page. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And you know, purple is my favorite color is purple. So I fell in love with this when I saw that. So this is that page, and there's the back of that one. And I'm gonna go through them really quickly. Here's the tier tray, because I have a lot of papers or a lot of paper packs. Love that. She's looking out the beautiful big window. Oh, so I have a lot of paper packs that I ordered, so I'm going to go through them really quick. And oh my goodness, how pretty is this page? There's the back of that one. This is the cut aparts. Oh, beautiful. Look at this tier tray right here, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's the back. Of course, they typically put a really pretty and then I think it repeats after that. Yes, so it repeats after that. So we're done with that one. And then the next one is the Mente Florabella paper pad. And of course, let me show you the bonus page. Let me tell you what the item number for that one is. It's 27072, just in case you want to go straight to that paper pack. And let me show you the bonus sheet. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, I just love it all. So again, this one is the Florabella by Mente. And here's the first page. Oh my goodness, that's just so pretty. And that white horse is just gorgeous. And there's that. Oh, look at this little mansion. It's beautiful. Look at the horse up here at the top. I just love it. There's the back. And here's this one. Kind of looks like a charger, doesn't it? Very pretty. And I just love this page. And there's their flower page. Oh, how pretty. And there's the back of the flower. And then here's their cut aparts. Oh, I like this one the best. Oh, beautiful. You know what attracted me to this paper pad were the boots and the hat. I saw that in the, you know, in the pictures on their Etsy page or Etsy store. And I fell in love with those boots. I'm from Texas, so we are a little partial to boots. I just love that. And then it repeats itself after that. Yes, it repeats itself. So there is that one. And the next one is Beauty in Bloom. So let me show you. Isn't this just pretty? I just screams spring. So I just love that. Look how beautiful these colors are together. Look at this gorgeous little bunny. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh, how pretty. And the item number for that one, I try to remember, guys, but you know, 27033. How pretty is this? Oh, it says home right there on that little sign. And there's the back. This doesn't just look like the outside of a home. And then here's another one. How pretty. There's the back of that with that big old picture frame. And then here's this one. I just love this. And there's the back. Oh, this is so pretty. And then here's their window. And there's the back. There's their flower page. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness. There's that. And their cut aparts page. How pretty. Look at their little rascog. So cute. This is so pretty. And there's the back of that. So hard to choose when I'm cutting these apart. It is so hard to choose what side I'm going to use. It really is hard. And then it repeats itself. So let me go on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is something I don't normally work on, but oh my gosh, I have so many ideas. So my projects will probably, the first ones that I make will probably involve this next page. This one is called Glam Rock by Mente. And that item number is 27071. Okay, guys. So, you know, I always do the soft pinks and mints, you know, the shabby colors. But when I saw this, oh my goodness, I'm like, oh, the things I can make with this. I should have ordered 2 paper packs. I really should have, but I didn't because I wanted all the other ones too. So let me show you the bonus sheet. Oh, and they used this one on one of their previous paper packs. And at the moment, I can't think of which one it is, but oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I just love it all. The little makeup bag, and oh, it is so pretty. Just love it all. This is the next page. How pretty. Very, very girly. I mean, I like girly. I really do, but normally my girly is not, the colors are normally not this bold, but oh, this is so pretty. I think that because the pink, it's got a lot of pink in it, you know, and fuchsias, and I just love it. That looks like denim, black denim. It's so pretty. Here is their flower page. So pretty. Look at that. Love it. And then their cut aparts. And there is the back. Oh my gosh. And then it repeats. But so I was so in love with this one that I knew it came with a cut aparts on the back cover, but I wanted their chipboard stickers as well, just because I just love this collection. Here is their stickers page. I like this down here, all these little ephemera pieces. Be savage, but not average. Or no, it says be savage, not average. I love that. Self-confidence is the best outfit ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna work with this collection first for my design team projects. Yeah, I love that. And the number to that one, is it on here? Yes. It's 27079 is the item number for this one. And then I also ordered some flowers. I did order this little bling stickers. Item number 7187. How pretty is this going to be with the Glam Rock? Isn't it going to be pretty? I just love that. And I also ordered, to go with the Glam Rock, I also ordered the Prima by Frank Garcia pearls. I'm going to open this because I really want to see what they look like. Item number, it is 16241 for the item number on that one. And let me open this up so we can see how pretty these pearls are. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, they are so pretty. And I love the, you know, the hardiness, the thickness, the weight on these pearls. There's black, there's this burgundy and gold. And they come in, you know, all the different sizes. How beautiful. Those are gonna look so pretty with the Glam Rock. Seriously, they are going to look so beautiful. And there are so many in here. Really love those gold ones. Oh, just love that. Okay, moving along, I did order some more roses, burgundy. These are the two-tone pink, and these are lilac, I believe. So I ordered those, and then I ordered smaller ones for filler, 10 millimeter. And then I ordered the pink roses, and 29117 on that one. And then I ordered some more hip bud roses because I don't think I have any more left. 29411. That was my design team package for the month of March. And you know, our mail has been coming in really slow here lately. I don't think they've caught up from our Snowmageddon. So anyway, it came in a little bit late. That's why I am just now showing you guys. But I did order, with my discount, I did order more flowers. Like I said, I was running low. So I'm just going to show you really quickly the colors that I've ordered. This one is a two-tone champagne. This one is a peach, two-tone peach. And aren't these pretty? These are the green, like the really light mint green. I just love those. So I ordered 2 of those. And then I ordered some more open roses. These are the baby pink 35 millimeter, I believe, flower open roses. And these are so pretty. They are a true, to me, a true baby pink. Beautiful. And then some more of the two-tone pink flowers, open roses. And then I ordered another of the mint, but in the smaller flower. I ordered some more of these are the fuchsia, and these are the 10 millimeter, I believe. And then I ordered some more hip roses in this pretty lilac. And then these are pink, and then green to go along with my mint green collection over here. So these are so beautiful, great for fillers. And then I ordered some leaves because I am just totally out of leaves. But wait, there's more. I had to order some paper. Yes, I shouldn't have. More paper, guys. So I got the Better Times by Mente, and this one is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna do a flip through really quick. So this is that the front? Yes, the front. And on the front, it's got these really pretty frames on here. And how pretty is this, guys? Oh my goodness, I just love that. There's the back. Oh, a mini album is what I kept thinking I wanted to make. So we'll see if that comes to life. Or I can take a different route. Look at this little bird right here. Isn't he cute? And then there's this page. So pretty. Oh, look at this butterfly page. Love butterflies. Fussy cut those out and, you know, put them together dimensionally. Wow. And then there's this page. That's pretty. And then here's their little cut aparts. And then it repeats itself. Here's the back of that one. Very pretty. Couldn't help myself, guys. And then I ordered another one from Mente. This is called Childhood, and the number for that is 27073. These are very light primary colors. There's your green, there's your red, your yellow, your blue, but they're not right in your face dark, you know. So I like this. I like these colors. So I thought I would go ahead and get one of these. That's so pretty, isn't it? Look at the little slinky. Am I showing my age? Are they not called slinkies anymore? The little red wagon. And then here's this one. Here's the back of that. Here's this one. And this one was in their fall collection. This one. Very pretty. And there's the back of that one. And look at this tree house. Doesn't that look fun? My gosh, that's beautiful. There's the back of that one. Oh, how pretty the rainbows. See how the colors aren't so bold and in your face? There's their flower page. Beautiful. Oh, how fun. And then their cut aparts page. Love all those images. And then there's the back with their framework. And then it repeats itself. Man, so much paper, so little time. All right, guys. And this last paper pack is from Blue Fern Studios. It is called Lucky Star. The number for this one is 32071. And look how pretty this is. It's kind of whimsical, but there's that page. Here's the back of that one. I don't know, I just think it's really pretty. There's their cut aparts page. See, and again, I don't do whimsical, but I don't know. There's something about this color combination that I simply love. And there's that. Here's this page. Look at the little owl with the crown. How cute. I think this page is called Crescent. Oh, how pretty. And there's that one. Aurora is this one. Very pretty. Ah, this is different. This is called Nova. Very pretty. Ah, but look at that. And then this is Polaris. Very pretty. There's that one. This one's called Spectrum. This is called Stardust. There's the back of that one. This one is called Wish. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Very pretty. I like that page. And there's the back. And this one is called Zenith. How pretty. Love it. And there's the back of that one. Very pretty. So this one I have no clue what I will do with it, but I'm sure I'll do something. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching and looking at my design team haul. I wish everyone an amazing day, and I hope you get to craft something today. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We will talk to everyone later.